Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another live session. Welcome. If you're just joining me live, tell me your name and your location on the comment section. Today we're gonna go through the analysis we did yesterday. The market is actually playing out, but I've not entered because I'm looking forward to enter where I want to enter because anything can happen in the market. But I'm paying attention to enter at a good area. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How was our night? I'm actually being patient enough in the market right now. I don't want to be in a hurry over anything. Just want to exercise patience, make sure I'm actually acting at my best interest. Remember yesterday I told you guys AUD USD was going to go down, Euro USD was going to go down, and GBP USD was going to go down. You can see price is going down, but there is no opportunity for me to enter right now. I can't be entering right here. I can still enter right here, but there's a lot of problems why I don't want to enter right here. If you watch my live session yesterday, I was trying to enter at this resistance. There's a lot of problems in entering right here because if you look at these levels, these are demand levels. In as much as they are minor demand levels, price can still reverse there. You can see price went up here, went up here, went up here. You can see a lot of movement around here. So it is best for me to wait for price to clear all those demand level, and trade below it and form a range before I can enter. The same thing with although I could have entered AED USD that yesterday nearly. That was on the night yesterday, I think around 10 p.m. Nigerian time. That was around here. So I was like, okay, I don't want to rush it. Let me just sleep and woke up. And guess what, guys? I woke up this morning, see that the market has dropped 50 pips. It is well. I don't know if any of you caught this. USD JPY. Remember, I told you guys I was not going to buy. In as much as it is bullish, I need to buy at a good area. As you can see, we're going up. I'm not angry or feeling bad that I missed this trade or I didn't enter it. I am very patient in following my strategy, whereby that I follow my strategy and enter where I'm supposed to enter. Now, this is an example of my entry pattern. You can see what happened here. This is what I was waiting for. To see a push. Oh, sorry. This is my entry pattern. This is an example of my entry pattern. M pattern, a push, a return, though when this thing, this chart pattern happened, that was not a confirmation of our bullish movement. When price was still here, price was still momentum was still bearish. It was this massive bullish movement that made us to become bullish. So let's see what's going to happen here if we're going to break above it. But I am going to be patiently waiting forward to buy here. Yeah, it's going to make sense for me to buy here. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to be following price action at its printing, but right now I'm not in a hurry to buy. For me, I want to focus on quality, not quantity. Quality is very, very important to me right now in my trading career because for me, I've seen that it is not the more you trade, the more money you make. You just have to understand what you're doing. I was watching a video yesterday of a young guy called Gus Love. Gus Love. Some of you might know him. He's also a YouTuber. I was watching one of his video where he said that he had $5 million in funding. For me, that's my goal. That's what I'm working forward to this year, to have $5 million in funding. And he said he made $400,000 in payouts. And if you do the calculation, $5 million in funding and $400,000 in payouts, you will notice that he only made 8%. You can see $5 million in funding and making 8%. That's $400,000 profit. Bro, that is how to trade. It is not every day you are buying, you are selling, you are doing this, you are doing that. It is not how it's done. I'm telling you. Anybody can tell you otherwise. You can go ahead and be scalping, but I'm not going to be scalping big capital. I need to do it the right way. Even I was watching one of his video again where he made one of the trade he took on December on gold. He entered the trade on 11th of December, and he held it for like I think 1 week plus, close to 2 weeks. And he made one single trade, made him $22,000. See, that is how to trade, and that is what I'm gonna work on this year, which is focusing on, quality, not quantity. Because I find that quantity can always make you to make a lot of mistakes, lose money, it can affect your psychology, it can, a lot of things. But when you focus on quality, you are focusing on, getting the best entry for you to take your trade. Now, this is BTC. I talked about it going down. We have acting the resistance. The question is, can we continue to go down right now? That will be a huge question. Let's see how it goes. But I'm bearish on BTC on the long term. I'm bearish on BTC not on the long term, like in a short while, maybe the next 3 to 4 months. I think Bitcoin will be going down. Gold, I talked about gold yesterday. Gold going down. I saw somebody buying gold in my group. I was like, okay, maybe this person is not on the live session to hear my bias on gold. The person start buying gold. I don't know why he's buying gold. I don't know. But gold momentum right now is heading to the downside. That is one thing you need to see. Momentum right now is heading to the downside. Gold is at a resistance level, which is pushing it to the downside. Let's see what happens today, because yesterday market didn't really move that much. It was early this morning that we're seeing a significant movement during near Asian section. That was when the market moved rapidly. You can see NZD USD is actually going to the downside. What I said yesterday, you see how following the trend can actually help you to know what you're doing. Momentum, I'm very bearish right now. I'm just looking forward for support levels, resistance levels to sell. I am not going to be buying. That's one of the things I like doing about this. Some people will be buying this, maybe some people who trade smart money concept, they might call this maybe liquidity something something. They will just say, I am not going to be focusing on buys. I'm going to be focusing on sells, because if you follow the trend, and you're going to make more money following the trend, and you're going to avoid a lot of mistakes. Like you can imagine people trying to sell this bullish movement from here. You can imagine, unless you are that smart to time all of those sharp drops. But I don't know anybody that can do that. But if you can do that, congratulations. But for me, I like to focus on trend, always wait for pullbacks, and for me to take my sells. So this is what I'm waiting for. For USD card, you can see the way it's currently massively going up. I'm expecting a pullback. Yes, I am expecting a pullback on these trades for me to enter. I cannot just jump into buy in as much as I know it's going to go up. I am waiting for to see a clear sign for me to enter. And you can see DXY, we've been pushing up. We have not had a clear price action. All these things are still messy. Even yesterday, we had a jump on DXY. The price action is so rough. It's not that clear. That's why I said that it is that I wait and see how things develop. You can see we are still in this messy price action right here, but we have actually identified the direction, which is bullish, but we are still in messy price action. So it is important to have this understanding. Awesome. Mr. Peace, I don't know if you can join me this morning with the link I send you. I don't know if you're free, so we can actually discuss USD JPY. USD JPY was going up. It wasn't reversing, but I'm not angry. I'm willing to allow the trade to go, because it did not meet my entry criteria. Sometimes that's why anything can happen in the market. So you just have to exercise patience, focusing on quality over quantity. It is very, very important, because that is how to make money. Always trading, buying and selling at every level is not a sign of making money. I can tell you, it's not a sign of making money. It is important for you to exercise patience and buy at good areas or sell at good areas, so you can actually maximize the risk and reward. Very, very important. I don't know if you have any pair you want me to analyze, but all the pairs I told you guys yesterday, which is AUD USD going down, is going down. Euro USD going down, GBP USD going down. All of them are going down right now. but I'm looking forward for entry. I'm looking forward to see where I can sell, not to jump into the sell anyhow. No, I have to look for where I will enter. So I'm waiting for entry. Today is Tuesday. Market just opened yesterday, so we still have a lot of room for the week to see how I'm going to enter the market. But I'm bearish in all this pairs. So I don't know if you have any pair. You can actually drop it in the comment section so I can analyze it for you. For people trading AUD USD, sorry, Euro AUD, there was someone that I analyzed Euro AUD the other day. I told him it was that Euro AUD is bullish. Let's see what has happened on Euro AUD, all those since that time. Okay, you can see the way Euro AED was climbing up. He wasn't even giving a deep retracement. You see, that's why markets can actually do crazy things. It can do crazy things. I am bullish on this pair, but we have not had a deep retracement. You can see what is going on. The AED is very weak. That's why we have not had a deep retracement. You can see the way we are correctively see what's going on. You can see push, retracement right now. Buying this thing, it doesn't make sense because I don't like the price action. It's not clear. That's why I like to focus on USD pairs. I can actually trade one or two things that's happening on it. So I'm very patient to see what's going to happen, to see how price is going to develop. But we have crazy price action right now. The market is not really moving clear beautifully. While the market is just going up and down. Good morning, D Media TV. So let's go on AUD, Euro, JPY, and AUD NZD. Okay. How do you guys trade AUD NZD? That's a crazy pair. Okay. Euro, JPY. Euro, JPY will be doing the same thing with all the pairs. Let's check. Let's see what's going on. Let's start from the weekly. Oh, we are bullish. We're even bullish. We are bullish on it. You can see we are bullish on Euro, JPY. But where are we going to buy? That's a big question. Where is good to buy? Okay, so if you look at the movement we have seen in the past, right here, you can see this last high. This is the last high we had here. This is the last high. This is the last high. This is it. We just had this last high, and price dropped a bit and push up a bit. Now, until we push and make a new high, I might be thinking to buy at here at this level. But if we didn't make a new high, it makes sense to wait for price to come to this low, which is this demand, before you buy. Now, this is a very simple trading strategy because why? You have already identified the trend of the market. If the trend of the market is bullish, you are now buying at a support. You just wait for price to get to that support before you buy because price does not go on a straight line. Because we were bearish before we turn bullish. Market was bearish before we turn bullish. So if you check other price action movement, well, let me show you. Let me just remove this so I can show you why I said we're bearish. But I'm bullish right now, but I just need to wait for retracement. Nothing goes on a straight line. Nothing goes on a straight line, guys. It can go on a straight line, but not always. That's why we need to be very mindful because we don't know when it will happen. You just have to follow. If you understand market structure, higher highs and higher lows, weak lows, as stronger structures on the higher time frame, it makes it very, very easy for you to make money in the market. But if you don't understand those things, you can just be buying from anywhere and be having issues. Now, look at where we are coming from on these Euro JPY. We are coming from a very massive bearish movement. Then we'll have this bullish movement. We'll have the first move. Then you can see why didn't market continue to go up? Markets return back and retested it and push up again and retested our first break. Even if I was looking forward to but this was when something shifted, we retraced, we pushed back down, and we come down to this low. You can see the way we come down to this one. This was where we start creating the bullish movement. This is an official entry. If I was trading Euro JPY, this could have been my entry here if I was trading Euro JPY. Yeah, but I wasn't trading Euro JPY, but it could have been a very clean entry for me on Euro JPY. So what am I waiting for? I'm strongly waiting for to see price to drop, price to drop to this level. We are bullish, but price needs to drop to this level before I buy on USD JPY. So that's just why one thing I'll be waiting for to see where to buy. It makes sense to buy from this level on Euro JPY. Then AUD NZD. AUD NZD are the same pair. Not that they are the same pair, they are the same economy. Australian and New Zealand, they are almost at the same, like the way you have USD card. They're like brothers and sisters. All right, so let's start from the weekly. Wow, see the crazy. You see why I don't like trading this pair? Oh my god, bro, what would you call this pattern on the weekly? As you can see, Euro NZD has been ranging for weeks right now. This is range. This is not a clear movement. But if let's check on momentum candle to see what is going on high energy, to see what the momentum says. The momentum is actually pushing to the downside. That is the overall momentum. Because that's the overall momentum. But bro, honestly, if I would say anything, just stay away from this pair, in my humble opinion. But this is bearish based on the current momentum. Current momentum. Um, since it's bearish, we're going to be looking forward to sell. Where are we going to be selling? This is very tricky, bro. Honestly, I would just say bearish, but honestly, I'm not. I can't even advise anybody to look at this. This is very messy. This price action is so bad. Like, this is one of the most craziest price action in my that I've seen. This year, it's crazy. So that's my opinion on AED SED. I don't want to say anything, but if I were to have a bias, I am just bearish on it. That's all. You can now decide what you want to do. Good morning, everyone. Please, if you are just joining, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the post notification. If you have any pair you want me to analyze, please drop it. And one of the things you need to learn is, the idea of exercising patience. Guys, one of the things that will help anybody in 2024 to become successful is to be a patient trader, not to be an impulsive trader, not to be a trader that always have position open. It is also good for not to trade. It is not that it is bad, but if you go on social media, you start seeing people posting their profit, it makes you feel that you are meant to be trading always. But it's not so. Because the more you trade, the more you expose yourself to different kind of risk. So it is important that you follow your plan and do exactly what you say you will do by trading, you know, by trading your plan and not buying and selling from anywhere. So it is important for you to know what you are doing, guys. Very, very important. Very, very important. I don't know if I have any question. I want to take your questions about anything you want to ask. You can ask me right now. I want to take your question because with question, I know what you want to. Anything you want me to be doing, just drop it in the comment section, or let me read it and we can look into it immediately and start acting on it. I don't know if you have any question concerning anything, but right now I'm very, very patient right now. I'm just want to see what price is doing. Even DXY, I don't even like the way it is. You can see crazy, crazy. So I'm just patiently waiting to see what is going on. You know, let's see what happens. But if you have any question, you can actually drop it on the comment section. No question. Okay. Um, I think we're going to call this live session an end because there is no much. I've actually explained everything I'm looking forward to. I'm still bearish on majority of the USD pairs, mostly Euro USD, AED USD, GBP USD, um, USJPY is buy, USD CAD is buy. This year has not provided a favorable swing trade opportunity for me. Why? So you're asking me why? Okay, all right. The market just opened. The not the market just opened. What am I saying? The year just started. We are just this is the third week, so you just have to exercise patience. Last week was crazy. The market has not, showed up a swing trade opportunity. That I'm just waiting for that swing trade opportunity. The idea of entering and running away, you can't make much money. But when you enter a swing trade, you just stay in the trend. When you can make 200-300 pips, you make a lot of money than to be buying, selling, buying, selling. It can be crazy. You just have to exercise it. Those opportunities are still going to come, but you just need to exercise patience, Mr. Peace. Patience can actually provide you those things. Okay, Federer said, I initially wanted to ask about DXY. So let's go back to DXY to see what's going on. Now, this is DXY right now, but this is on the 4 hours. But I've already established the movement that is doing because on the weekly, I can clearly see that we are turning bullish. Yeah, I can clearly see that this is a bullish movement. Now, I just have to ask myself, where is a good area that I can be looking forward to buy? You know, Going back to the 4 hours, let's go back to normal candlesticks. If you go back to our normal candlesticks, you can see we have a very crazy, messy price action, and it all started on the 3rd of January. You can see from 3rd of January we have been ranging. You can see what has been happening since 3rd of January. So, Mr. Peace, the reason why you have not seen a swing trading movement is DXY is not moving. So, is when DXY start moving, liquidity will start flowing in so many other pairs. You can see we have been ranging. No, this is the low of the range. This is the high of the range. I just marked them. I've taken one loss in this range. That's why I don't want to take any. In as much as I've seen the trend, but I don't want to take any trade inside that range again. I'm just waiting for price to break out and for me to enter either at the bottom or at the top of the range. But I'm looking forward if price come down to this low, it makes sense for me to start buying it. But for me to trade in this range, no, that's one thing I told myself. So anything can happen. Price can continue to go. I don't care. But I need this range to. I need to get out of this range. I need price to leave this range before I make any decision. So, in as much as I am bullish, I am waiting for price to, leave this range. This range is crazy. You can see what it's doing. Up and down movement. That is why we see Euro USD going up and down. AD, all of them went up and down because of this guy. So, guys, this is what the state of DXY right now. This was what I was expecting during maybe on Monday for price to come down before going up. But you can see it didn't happen that way. Guess what happened? Price continued to go up. So, but does that mean I'll start chasing it? No, I'm waiting for a clear price action for me to enter. I'm not chasing it, but I'm waiting for where to enter. That is why I'm very patient. I believe I've answered your question, Mr. Ifedayo. Also, with what DSY is doing, is this a good time to trade minor pairs? DSY also have influence on minor pairs. Even if you go on minor pairs, I think almost the same price action will be showing. Now let's check Eurocard for you to see what is going on. This is one of the minor pairs. It might be ranging. Let's see. Oh, you can even see. If you guys remember the signal I gave sometime this year, this is what I even marked it. It's even getting to my target. I gave this signal in my group Eurocard buy, and you can see it's going up. It's even going to my target, which is here. So, but it's not. Look at the way it's going. It's just going up and down, up and down, up and down. Like it's a very crazy price action. You can't compare this price action this price action to this beautiful movement price action. But this is a very crazy price action. You can see what has been going on. It's because DXY has been going up and down. So it's also affecting it. It's also affecting it in one way or the other. Let's even check GBP card. Checking GBP card. Oh, you can see what is going on. In as much as we are going up, but look at the way we are going up. We're going up correctively. We're going up correctively. But it is important for you to see, what price is doing and how you can take advantage of it. I don't trade. If you want to trade minor pairs, just be taking action. But for me, I really stick to USD pairs because one of the things that worked for me last year. So I just have to focus on it. Okay. All right. This my Euro card. I even closed it, sir. I didn't stay too long. Like I was on. I think I made about maybe 50 pips. I closed it manually, but you can see it's getting to my target because why? I've already seen the direction. See, direction is very very important. In as much as you need a strong trading psychology to trade, but you see, psychology affects everybody. Even already made traders are already start making money. You might have your direction right, everything right, but psychology, allowing winning trade to turn to losing, it doesn't really feel good. No matter how we talk about it, but it doesn't feel good. I have to be very honest. It happens to everybody. Sometimes it happened to me. There was a day I allowed. I think I was running in $11,000 profit. Could you believe that I allowed that $11,000 because I was trying to get more from those trades, and the trade reversed and gave me a loss. Now I think I lost the trade. It was really painful, but that's what trade requires. That you'll be like, oh, why didn't I take the 11,000? It happens to everybody, bro. It's not easy. You can see this is the trend I call on this trade is still going on, but I've already left trade before the trend gets it because the movement, just seeing your money swinging up and down, you just be like, oh, let me just take this out. But as well, we just have to keep on developing. We have a huge career in front of us. All right, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is the end of our live session for today. Tomorrow, come with your questions, whatever you want to know, whatever you want me to cover, even about crypto. If you want to ask me a question about crypto, you can go ahead. Simple trading professor should come and teach us swing trading. I'm interested. Swing trading is amazing. I can tell you, bro. Swing trading is amazing. Let me shock you. Swing traders make more money than day trader. I am very honest with you. There was a man I used to watch on YouTube. He's a swing trader. He trades the futures market, let's say platinum, gold, all of the silver. But he's a swing trader. This man trade profit in the last between last 3 months of last year, 2023. This man made $270,000 in profit payout. I'm telling you, like $270,000 between the last 3 months of 2023. Sorry, he made $270,000. Like that's insane. Most day traders didn't make such money. They will just see, oh, I made 3,000, they close. You make 1,000, they close. But bro, if you understand swing trading, it will even help you psychologically. I'm telling you, all this, yeah, today you are doing. Oh shit! Honestly, swing trading is amazing. It's something I'm building myself on. That is why I like to look at the weekly time frame. If I look at the weekly time frame, it shows me what is going on. Now, if you look at this Euro car right now, a lot of people that will take buy and sell, all of these movements going up here. But guess what? Price always have the direction, no matter all of those swings. I will not be surprised to come back in this trade next week, and see Euro card up here because that is the trend. It is the trend bullish, but it doesn't just go there very easily. It will take a lot of swings. Sometimes it will go there quickly, but sometimes it can swing like what we are seeing right now. We are seeing a crazy swing. Like, look at this previous swing that's happened in the past, how to make money. Just look at this, just look at this massive swing to the upside. Even if you didn't catch it at the bottom, let's say you caught the trend here. This is a very beautiful area to buy, get the trend, and you ride the trend up onto this high. This is about 689. Amazing. I'm telling you, to be honest. It's amazing. I love swing trading. It's not easy, but it's one of the most profitable way to trade. One of the easiest and the most profitable way to trade is swing trading. I'm telling you. But it's not easy because it requires a lot of emotional strength and strong psychology. Though you have to get there gradually. All right, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.